Forgot your Instagram password? No worries. I'll show you exactly how to reset it and get back into your account. Fast and easy. Where can I find your forgotten password? To find your forgotten password, you need to open the password manager. So follow my step. Then open your settings, then find and select the Google account option. Tap on Google. Now tap on Password Manager. Here you will find the Instagram option. Tap on Instagram option. You can see that your password is saved here, so now you just need to copy it from this section. Here you need to paste your copied password. Now tap on the login option. Once you click on login, your Instagram account will be signed in automatically. Your Instagram account has been successfully recovered. Now you can log in anytime with your new password. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fix and Guide, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.